Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set Firefox as default browser. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to any other browser and download Mozilla Firefox, as this does not come with the Windows system. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the middle of the screen we have the search bar, and we also have it here in the top corner. We have here where you can go and make your own tabs. In the top right corner, we have the 3 horizontal lines where you can check out your settings and everything. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set Firefox as default browser. So on Windows, of course, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings here, and then click on settings. In the general panel, click the make default button. So you need to go to the general panel here, as you can see, and make it a default browser. Then when you do that, you can of course go, and if Firefox isn't set as your default browser, follow your prompts to complete the process. Now when you do, so that is for Windows of course. Now on Mac, you can click Firefox in the menu bar and select preferences. In the general panel, click on make default button also. Alternatively, for Windows, you can go to the Windows startup menu and click settings icon. Click app and select default app on the left. Scroll down and click under web browser, select Firefox from the list. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.